Hey, hi guys. So I'm Vaibhav, I'm a software engineer, and welcome to my YouTube channel first. So as we know, the current situation, how DSA part is important. So we started the DSA series because of their in every website to making the robust application and website DSA plays the crucial role. So here we learn the mainly asking interview problems in the DSA. We are using the JavaScript language and also we which topic we are cover I told you. So here is the topics are we are starting from basics from array, string, and object up to the higher level up to the dynamic graphs and other string binary dynamic programming problems there. But for the starting, we are let's starting from array, string, and objects level program. Then we learn the operator, which operator you are necessary to write the code to solve the problem approach. Also, each problem we are taking deeply solution with time and space complexity. Then operators in JavaScript, after that switch cases. Switch cases is also making the important role to your if you are the full stack developer, so in front end as well as back end side, the switch cases are the important also to make the websites and application as well. So here we learn the loops in JavaScript, substring, brute force techniques. The brute force techniques is like the hacking techniques. It's for if you solve any problem, so you start for the brute force approach. Next is then matrix problem, then pattern printing. Pattern printing is like the matrix problem, and pattern printing like the here M pattern, V pattern, N pattern like this pattern. So this code also we are covering in the deeply solutions and best approach we can obtain as well as possible. So here object statement, frequency count, so frequency count is mostly asking interview questions. So here we take the interview question mostly people as a they are asking as an interview perspective. So here sorting algorithm is sorting, bubble sort, merge sort, and selection sort. Three are the sorting approach we are cover. Next is then stack and queue. Here is then some difficult DSA questions: stack, queues, binary search, recursion backtracking as well, and also sliding window technique, linked list implementations, dynamic programming, bit manipulation, what is bit manipulation, then also the graphs, DP, like all over the topics we are covering. So get ready for the code and all DSA problem we are using in the JavaScript language. In mostly JavaScript we prefer as well as some problem we also told you the I also told you in the TypeScript language also. So get ready for the code and if you interested in the our next DSA series, please subscribe my channel and also if you like this video, please like also this video.